everyone, my name is Prince William Bibio and we are here to tackle about converting degree of minutes and seconds. We have an example, 45.79 degree. To get the degree, minutes and seconds, we need to separate this number. Bring down 45 degree plus 79 seconds or 0.79 seconds times 60 seconds or the equivalent of seconds. Next is bring down 45 degree plus 0.79 times 60 seconds is equals to 47.4. And now we have degree. We need to get the minutes and seconds. Bring down 45 degree plus, to get the minutes and seconds, we need to separate 47.4. 47 plus 4 or 0.4 seconds times 60 seconds or the equivalent of seconds. And now is we need to bring down the degree or for the 45 and bring down the minutes or 47 minutes. 7 minutes. To get the seconds is we need to times 0.4 and 60 seconds. 0.4 times 60 seconds is equals to 24 seconds. And now we get the degree, minutes and seconds. So this is an example of converting degree of minutes and seconds.